Hey, what's going on guys? Digitalatd here. Let me start by wishing everyone a happy new year. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and enjoyed all the festivities that came with the holidays. So a couple days ago I came across this concept of what's to come from Samsung in regards to their smartphones, and I was blown away. This concept was made by Tech Configurations, so if you want to check them out, links will be in the description down below. If Samsung manages to showcase a smartphone anything similar to this at CES in a week's time, I might just have to ditch my iPhone 10. For those who aren't familiar with CES, it's basically an annual event provided by Consumer Technology Association for all technology companies to showcase what they have in store for the year. The reason why I love this concept in particular is because I believe that Samsung aren't too far from making this into a real working product in the near future. There's been many signs of something like this coming from Samsung for quite a while now. After all, most of us who follow tech would have seen their bendable screens, which they've been working on since it was first announced at CES in 2013. We've seen some attempts at affordable smartphone before by some manufacturers, the ZTE Accent M with its dual screen probably being the most notable of them all. This gives us a look at something different from the norm, but not quite what we're all hoping for. It looks more like two separate phones stuck together with a hinge in the middle rather than a single expandable unit. This Samsung concept is ideally what a foldable screen smartphone should be, with its 3 different modes of use. Even the quality of the exterior looks amazing with the premium leather fabric finish. Its discreet hinge design and ultra slim bezels. This will definitely be a phone for the future. Let me know what you guys think. Is this concept realistic enough to become an actual product in 2018, or are we still several years away from getting something like this from Samsung? Whatever the case, I think this is going to be a great year for technology, and I for one am looking forward to see what's to come from the companies I like to call the Big Four, that being Apple, Samsung, Google and OnePlus. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give the video a like and subscribe also to be the first to see more videos like this from me. Until the next time, take it easy.